Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to stream movies on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open that server where you want to stream movies. So I'm going to opening my server, and after that go to voice channels and click on screen and select the window where you are playing the movies. So I'm going to select my YouTube tab, so I'm clicking on Chrome tab, and here's the tab. Then click on share. Also you can share tab audio, you can check this to share your audio, then click on share. So this was how we can stream movies on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.